This is Alea, and she's really nervous to get her hair done. She's really tender-headed and kind of freaking out about this experience. What she doesn't realize is that I'm going to use the braid aid today, and hopefully that'll make this process a little easier. Starting out by making this clean part through the middle of her head. I gave her some water, and she's already starting to calm down because this was completely painless. Grabbed a second braid aid and adjusted it to my pinky for sizing, and now I'm using the tool for stitch braiding. Everything was coming out so clean, it was gliding through her curly hair, and we were having a good time. I mean, y'all, look at how easily I'm just picking up her hair, parting through it. Look at this part. That is so clean. The tip is so precise. By the grace of God, I am finally seeing her smile. Styling time went faster since I was using this tool, so she wasn't stuck in that chair for too long, which is really good because she didn't want to be there anyway. Mom said this is the best reaction she's ever seen from her since she's been getting her hair done. Braid aid provides a lot of comfort to your client, really easy to control, and produces some top-notch results. In the end, she was really happy with her hairstyle, and it means the world just to see that smile. The Braid Aid by AB Glitz is a must-have. Check my link in bio.